Okay, we have a reader UI kit, which I imagine it's like a books UI kit. Way too many icons. Like, why do you need crypto shit? Oh, a bunch of buttons, fields. How does the error field look like? Okay, let's jump into it. I'm mirroring this on the device as well. Okay. Interesting choice. I do like the illustrations and they're editable, surprisingly. A very pleasant mood. I'm sure the colors were picked for some reason. Not really a warm feeling, but looks decent enough. Nothing outrageous. Oh, you have date for errors or not? My bad. Okay. Bunch of categories. Yeah, this is pretty solid, I would say. If you need to start, we should have more auto layout on everything. Not that very clean, organized. With minimal input, you could actually use this. So yeah, I would totally recommend this. Nice branding as well.